Hi guys, Nobles Cultural here. Ito po, nasa second day na tayo ng Bataco Expo, Tanabata Festival po sa UP Town Center. Kaya let's go na sa stage at magko-cover ulit tayo doon.
Dito na. Dito. Ayan, meron pa po ba? Lapit tayo dito. Hindi na akong nakabal dito. Ayan. Okay, asa na? Boss! Asa na ating tingin tayo kay Ate Lina. Okay, ito na pala po. Okay, Ate Masters, dito tayo. Kanina, nagpipicture kayo doon. Ngayon, nagtatawag ako, wala kayo doon. Punta tayo doon. Ay, sorry. Thank you. Naya ako.
Pwede pa doon sa likod?
Sino daw ang matangkad?
Pwede pa sa likod?
Pwede pa daw po sa likod. Bakit may anak na dito? Ay, bata. Kita po ba anak sa likod ko? Ayan. Ay, ako dito. Dito ka sa tingin. Ay, tingin tayo sa camera.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sa Optimum Prime, oh! Joke lang, Optimus Prime.
Hindi ka kayo tayo nasa mga joke.
Grabe ba? Humble bear, gano'n, no? You change your color. Ayan na. Lagot kayo pag nag-transform yan dito, ha? Sasakay tayo naman.
1,
1, 2, 3. Say, Ozzy! Ozzy! Ano may galit dyan? Sino yun? Ayun. Sige, thank you. Ano po ba? Tayo muna tayo at tayo magpapadate. Nayuma ko. Wala na, hindi na tayo magpapatanda. Alright, sige. Dito tayo magsa-start. So, line up tayo. You guys are familiar naman with how our parade goes, di ba? Apa! Oh, nagkakait ko na. Sige, ako mo yung start ng, ako mo yung start ng line. Please follow me. We are going to start with our kimono and cosplay game. Dito ako, malait lang ako. Bakit na ba?
ay, nakikuya yung yan na lang. Sige.
Online! Up next, we have Chika Takami!
Ano naman?
Up next, we have Spider-Man Noir! Up next, we have Goro Majima! Up next, we have Ying! Up next, we have Deku! Up next, we have Nanami! Any other cosplayers? Tignan ko baka namin sa control kayo ah. Meron pa po ba? Sayang naman guys, makita nyo na yung cosplay. Sino pinaghirapan natin yun. Pardon? Any other cosplayers who would like to join? And I guess that's it for our kimono and cosplay couple. Congratulations contest. Thank you so much everyone sa nag-join sa ating parade and of course sa ating catwalk. We are back, ladies and gentlemen, for an idol performance. So of course, i-announce ko na sino sila to get to know them. They are a powerhouse team of 7, each shining in their signature color of blue, red, orange, yellow, green, white, and purple. Fueled by creativity, passion, and teamwork, they are ready to light up the stage with an unforgettable performance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Corona!
Isa pa nga, nag-e-enjoy ba kayo? Okay naman naman. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? Wow. Sige mo.
Salamat.
So, Mina, Ikyay!
Ikyay! Let's go!
performances namin? I'm excited. Before we continue, of course, we have to thank Ozine, syempre, for inviting us. Also, Tochi for sponsoring us. Bagong brand ambassadors po kami. Also, meron na po kaming merch if ever you guys are interested. Meron din po kaming photo cards, banners, and meron din po kaming crocheted na keychains. Also, birthday po ng isang member namin, si Mr. Kira. We would like to ask everyone po na kantahan siya na happy birthday sa China. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So, ready na ba kayo? Next performance na. Tanong ko lang. Bebe, familiar ka sa Project 7? Familiar ka? Alam mo yung song ng isang group doon specifically na At God's Mercy?
At God's Mercy?
Sana ma-enjoy mo tong next performance namin. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Tatanungin ko kayo every performance sa isa pa. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Dito side. Parang hindi ko narinig kasi dito eh. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Sa kabila. Hindi pa ba tayo sa kabila, no? Nag-enjoy ba dito sa side na to? Mahina. Meron tayong kilala dito, hindi sumisigaw. Isa pa nga. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Medyo malakas naman. Unfortunately, last song na namin for today. Okay lang, ipahal naman namin kayo. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba? Ready na ba kayo?
Dito, no? Dito kaya! Ready na ba kayo?
pa rin eh. Ay, sige na, ready na kayo? Ready na ba kayo? Hindi pa, sige. Isa ba? Ready na ba kayo? Last song na tayo for today. For the last question. Naman ako. Again, thank you for Ozai for inviting us in this event. Is it okay lang po ba mag-ask a photo with the crowd? Okay lang po.
Okay guys, picture na po. So, tayo na dito. That's all. Okay guys, and now then, compress. Okay, look at the camera in 3, 2, 1. Isa pa. Puro basay. Ano po ang puro basay?
Ganito po, ganito.
Ganda? Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Sa baba, pwede pong video taking Ozai Fest. Ilang Ozai Fest po.
Relocation. Gusto mo lang ha?
Alright guys, on the count of 3, we'll all say thank you, Ozin Fest. Alright? In 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Ozai
certificate of attendance, certificate of appreciation to Kuroba for gracing us with their amazing performance. Siyempre, meron din sa lalagyan. Sa inyong amazing performance, you guys did give such energetic performance dito sa ating stage yung mga Hobby Dress na. Thank you so much. Sabi ko sige. Ay, sana kitkit dito. Get ready for a fiery performance that slashes through the ordinary. Please welcome the dynamic cosplay duo of Demon Slayer as they bring the world of Kimetsu no Yaiba to life on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Taki and Anon!
Disciple. How could you? Our teacher killed himself because of you! Because you became a demon! You! He died alone! And it's your fault! He lay there and died slowly, in agony! All because the wielders of thunder breathing produced a demon! You disgraced us all! You think I care? So what if he's dead? If he didn't value me, then I don't value him! I only serve those who know my true value! I did everything he asked of me. Everything! But he still wouldn't make me a successor! He insisted you and I would be co-successors! You lumped in with me! What a joke! You're worthless! You want to see thunder breathing? I'll show you thunder breathing! Fourth form! Distant! You're too slow.
nanonood ng mga Pinamayak niyo naman ako. Nakaset kayo, pinayak niyo ako. Teka lang, bumalik kayo dito. Balik kayo dun sa stage. Ito yung ito. Kasi naman naalala ko yung ano Taki, ano? Asa kayo? Napunta sa balik kayo dito. May una! Kakausapin ba? Sasagot din ba yan? Pag kinausap ko? Sige. Asan niyo yung ano? Katawan?
Kaya nila ako tawagin.
Pwede naman yung katawan.
Kailangan nila ako.
Ayun, so we watch. Did you guys enjoy the performance? Sabi na gulat ako na may lumabas ng mga ganun-ganun na eh. So ano, mga ilang months yun siya. Gano'n nyo katagal pinag-prepare yung skit na yun?
Pinag-prepare siya namin sa Bicol.
You guys from Bicol?
Yes po.
Wow!
Bali ng champion na rin yung skit namin.
Nakakaiyak-iyak nga ako. Di ba? Kaya ako natididig
Yung part na ano, wala kami sa skit. Pero kasi dapat i-play na ano.
Screen! Ayun.
Parang i-replay namin yung ginawa nilang ay parang ano, 2 seconds na naputulan si ginawa namin ng gusto.
So like, as you've said, di ba galing kayo ng Bicol? So parang team na kayo nun, ever since?
Kasi pala sila ng mask.
Team kayo nun? Like, ano kayo siya?
Some cosplay competitions around way back to 2016 or 2017. And actually, I live here in Cusina, but we still managed to do here. So thank you, Tanabata Festival. Yeah.
Ang saya kasi ngayon ako din makakikinig with everything. And it's so nice to watch you guys here on stage. Ayun. So, once again, you are? Anon and?
Taki.
Taki.
Taki Tanaka on Facebook if you want to follow.
Oo, sige, ikaw din. Pinlag na niya yun sa kanya.
Yung MTO shop ko na lang. Fluffy Bear Friendly Shop.
Fluffy.
Fluffy Bear Friendly Shop.
Fluffy Bear.
If you want cool costumes, just PM. It's made to order. So siya po yung gumagawa nun. Okay? Yeah.
Ayun. Thank you so much. Once again, Taki and Anon! Thank you so much. Yeah, since our idol is ready, let me introduce you to him. From debuting in August 2024 with the idol group Hoshi Zora, Asumire Liana from Liela, she now takes a bold step forward with her first solo performance as an independent idol. From group stages to solo spotlight, she is definitely ready to shine. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Shua Leoe!
GF ko yan!
Thank you po for watching.
Hindi nga na-play ate. Ayos ko lang yung ano. Nawala kasi yan eh.
Kakagaling ko lang sa sakit. Hindi ako masyado naka-practice but yay! So for the next song, this is one of my favorite songs. So kahit medyo gahal ako sa time, so I hope you will like it, guys.
Magulat ka kanina. Support our idols. Okay, baba ko. Ito, binaba ko na ito. Ito, binaba ko na po.
For the next song, familiar po ba kayo sa Bigo Machi? So, I really love the Bigo Machi song. So, gusto ko nang pinay-perform siya. Kaya ito yung last na pinili ko na i-perform. So, I hope you join with me sa step. So, starting rain!
Maestro! Ano mo ulit yung ano ba siya?
Green!
Green? Push siya? Pwede tayo yung battery? Ha? Pwede tayo yung battery?
Makakabalik lang. Kasi lobat kahapon.
Kasi nga kahapon.
Hindi na ko ng battery yung gabi.
Pero sa mga...
Stop! to be announced in my official page, which is Shua Lewe on Facebook. Enjoy the event po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shua. Ano, picture naman. Ano yung masabi mo? Picture daw, sabi ni Shua. Picture, group picture tayo. Magiging picture tayo. Whenever. Compress naman tayo, boss. Galit ka ba sa kanya? O, sige, dito ka tumabi ka. Dito tayo. Okay, compress, everyone. Para kita tayo kay Shua. Dito ka tayo. Okay, dito na muna tingin sa camera. 3, 2, 1, smile! Tingin ako dito. Isa pa. Alright. 3, 2, 1, smile! Isa pa na po. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Thank you so much. Shua! Thank you so much for gracing us with your performance. Guys, we are awarding you with this certificate of appreciation. Graduate ka na ba? Ayun.
Sorry.
Ayun, guys, be sure to follow Shua's Facebook page na. Shua Lewe sa Facebook. Do you have an Instagram pa? Or that's good?
My Instagram is
Not alam.
announced pa po.
TBA, okay. To be announced by Instagram. Okay. Once again, thank you so much, Shua Lewe! Actually, we have a lot of very, very talented artists here. Para kulang pa. Hi, MC, Daniel. Daniel. Okay. Kasha. Kids. Ayan. Sige. Picture po muna tayo. Like a group picture po muna. Grabe naman yun. Nabasa ko yun ah. Ayun. Okay po? Picture. Ayun. Tingin po tayo kay Sir Raika. Kaya mo, andito ba? Ada? Okay, show your art, everyone. Ayun. Hey! Ay, sama. Okay, there we go. So there are actually two awardees. Okay, so the first one that I will call is the runner-up, and then the last one is going to be the grand winner of our Tanabata Festival's On the Spot Art Competition Day 2. Okay ba? Okay, so the runner-up for our Otaku Expo Tanabata Festival On the Spot Art Competition is Daniel! Yeah. Congratulations and thank you so much.
yung mga ganyan drawing, wala lang yung mga ganyan, yung walang kulay. Wala yan.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this competition. Nonetheless, all of your arts are very, very much so amazing po talaga. Nahirapan yung dyan. Parang pangachat namin sila. Ayun, thank you so much for joining once again, everyone. Our artists this day too. Thank you po. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi guys, Hello Best Catchel here. Ito nga, nakapag-cover na tayo ng 2 araw ng Otawa Expo, Tanabata Festival dito po sa UP Town Center. Kaya babalik tayo ulit sa mga possible events na i-cover natin. Kaya mag-log off na ako at uwi na.